To add an account on Facebook or a page on Facebook to your favorite list so that you would not miss out of any post they make, open your Facebook app and then you head on to that very account you would want to add to your favorite list. So let's say I want to add this very page. This is a page, and then I'll tap on the three dots beside this page name. Then scroll down a bit and you're going to see the option add Jerry Jayden's teachings to your favorite. So I'll tap on it and you see it has added this very page to my favorite. So let's scroll to, okay, this is another account. So let's say I want to add this person to my favorite. I also tap on the three dots beside their name and then tap on add this person to favorites. And by doing this, I've successfully added them to my favorite list, so I'm not going to miss their subsequent posts. It will pop up on my timeline as frequent as possible. If you got value in this video, do well to like this video, share this video, subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification button so you don't miss out of my subsequent content. Thank you for your support and I'll see you in my next video. Later.